Hey everybody, welcome back. So this is just testing out an underbody kit for Polaris Slingshot down in South Florida. So I actually had this done yesterday, Saturday, but I didn't get a chance to test it, and I had one more solder joint to finish that I got pulled away from late last night. So today's Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to everybody out there. But this piece here and several others is going to go up tomorrow. In fact, I still have to build a relay harness. So that's a little bit more involved than just a switch for all you guys thinking you can go to AutoZone and just buy a switch. But by all means, give it a shot. Let me know how it works out for you. Anyway, stay tuned for more videos. I've actually got multiple videos that I've taken, just have not had time to upload. I'll try to get to that in the next day or two. I've got several more orders still to work on for other people, so it's going to be hit and miss on that. But just stay tuned, and I promise I'll get everybody's stuff uploaded. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next video.